Welcome guys to my channel, Newbie Money. I'm a new day trader. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm basically documenting the whole process of me becoming a profitable day trader, what I buy, what I sell, the emotions, the strategies that I'm planning on implementing, the just insane amount of emotions that comes with becoming a day trader. But today was an amazing day, huge green day, and that was due to the fact that I doubled my share position today. And we talked about this in the past few videos where I'm saying like I'm going to be slowly increasing my share size, but I just want to be more comfortable. But man, this is definitely one of the easiest $1,000 days that I've ever had, and the biggest one trade gain I had was $231. So it was just an accumulation of lots of good scalping that brought me up to that 1K mark. So let's go check out the video and see what we traded.
Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
What up guys? So yeah, it's $1,000 day today. So and it was a very easy day too. And as you guys could see, and over here, pretty much all of it, the highest gain I had was $231 a day. So I was just really waiting for the all setups. I was being so patient with every single entry, every single exit. Actually, on my exits, as soon as I had $100, I would just get out. I wouldn't waste too much time for it to crawl back around me or hope for anything. But so PLUG is the one that I traded the most. And the thing is, this morning when I woke up, well, last night I spent like an hour on this guy, being like, this is going to be the most amazing short ever. And the reason why is this stock was so overextended, and this is what I could see last night. I couldn't see this. So I'm like, if this opens up to like $71, that's going to be perfect and to short. But when I woke up, it was exactly $75. I was like, man, it's a big jump right away. Maybe it might go to $74. And and the reason why I did that is because I'd rather be safe right now and not jump into trades. Even though $71 is still a huge jump, and this is overextended by over 140% the past 10 days, that I still wanted to be patient. And I knew that today I'm coming in with the market hot. I'm coming in with double the positions that I'm usually trading. So I didn't want to make a mistake, man. Like, there's nothing worse than having this strategy to improve and having this idea of doubling your size. When the first day you come in, you have this crazy you have this idea of shorting the stock, and it just slaps you in the face because you have doubled the share size, right? So I didn't want to deal with that emotional toll. So I was like, worst case scenario, I might make $300 if I just ignore this. So that was my plan. So when I saw this guy and it was going up here, I'm like, all right, cool. Maybe if it goes up to 72, I was short, but it just hit this resistance so quick and just went all the way down. I was like, oh crap. So this whole time right here, I'm being super patient. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything. So I started scalping here a little bit, and with the bounces here, scalp here, scalp there, and I just slowly been scalping the whole time just to get like, I would get in here, get out here, kind of thing, get in here, get out here. It's just not pushing my luck. And that's just another thing that I know I've said this many times on this video, but it really pays to be patient. Just, what are we rushing for? Like, we're new traders. We don't know, like, we don't need to be part of everything. We can just wait and let the trades come to us. And I know people say that to us, but I think it's slowly kind of clicking in right now. I'm just like, like, that's what they mean. Like, don't rush it, but I think there's just still something about the human instinct, maybe just something about the certain people that are crazy enough to day trade that have this impulsive tendency, But yeah, just being patient. and hitting it with size when I scalp it, it's been really paying off. So I traded all these different names, guys. We can go through all of them, but they're all just small scalps. And the best advice that I can give you guys, and the best advice that I learned today actually, was just that patience, man. This blows my mind how I didn't implement that sooner, you know. And it's funny because in the stock market you learn by messing up, and you also learn when you make easy money like this, and you're like, man, like why couldn't I have done this when I did? Like, I don't think I can make $1,000 on a daily basis, but maybe I can make $500 on a daily basis. And a lot of that was just if I was patient with my plays, I would have been a lot more successful now. But now I'm learning, you know, so I'm just gonna keep that in mind. Be patient, let the trades come to me, and if the trades don't come to me, leave it, you know, don't chase it. And just have a plan too. Was let's just say a trade, you want to short it at this level and the stock just barely kisses your limit order and is shy of like 5 cents. Have a plan of what you're gonna do after. First of all, just say, how's that gonna make me feel emotionally? Am I gonna go back and trade? Then also keep track of that. If you go back and trade and be like, okay, so this is a clear trigger point for me. Second, and be like, if this doesn't go back and I feel like it's gonna trigger me and I can't really do anything, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna quickly walk out, grab a drink of water, and come back. Something that you're just really gonna force yourself from making the right decisions. And that's the small things I've been implementing. That's what's really been paying off. So yeah, big day, guys, and I'm really happy. So I'm excited to see how this scalping with big position is going to be going. And I think if this continues and my account size doubles in the next month or so, then I'm going to double my share size, because now I think I have around almost $10,000 in my account from 3,000, 3,500 or something. But if in 2 months if this account goes to 20 grand, then at that point I'm gonna do the same thing, just increase it by 2 times and see how it goes. And the main reason why I'm not increasing my buying power each time I get it is because I want to create that discipline of me creating, or just me getting comfortable with a certain size first, and once I get comfortable with that, then I just quickly flip it and I get double the positions on it. You know, I just don't want to rush anything. I have something that's good right now and I don't want to screw it up. But yeah, guys, be patient, let the trade come to you. If you guys are finding yourself not being patient, do something that's going to stop you from making that trigger decision. If you got to turn off the computer, turn off the computer. If you got to walk away, grab some water, go grab some water. Do whatever it takes to make sure that you are being patient. Alright guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.